Why did my smart security device stop working?
Smart security devices can stop working for many reasons. Common causes include power issues, Wi-Fi connectivity problems, outdated software, or interference from other electronic devices. Environmental factors, such as extreme temperatures or moisture, can also affect performance. Understanding the underlying issue is the first step in restoring your device to full operation.
What are the first steps to fix the issue?
Start with basic troubleshooting steps. Check that the device is properly plugged in or has healthy batteries. Confirm your home Wi-Fi is working and the device is within range. Restart both your smart device and your router. Many problems are resolved by simply powering devices off and on again to reset connections.
How do I address app or software errors?
App glitches or outdated software can cause problems. Make sure your device's app and firmware are updated to the latest versions. Clear the app's cache or reinstall it if needed. Try controlling the smart device from another smartphone or tablet to see if the issue is with the app rather than the hardware.
What if my device still won't respond?
Most smart security devices have a reset button or reset procedure in the user manual. This restores original settings and often resolves deeper issues. Remember, factory resets will erase custom settings, so set up your preferences again after restarting.
When should I seek professional help?
If troubleshooting does not solve the problem, contact support or a technician. Persistent issues may indicate hardware failure or installation errors. Manufacturer support can guide you through advanced steps or arrange repairs if needed. Always check your warranty and support options before attempting complex fixes.